Hi friends, I'm Ankit and today I will show you how to send PDF to email. Friends, if you want to send PDF file via email, then you need to open gmail.com. Now here you need to click on compose. Now enter the email address. Now click on the attachment button. Now you need to select your PDF file. Now after selecting your PDF file, click on open. Now your PDF file will attach to your email. Now click on the send button to send the email. Friends, you can send your PDF document as you send normal files in the attachment of the email. So friends, like this you can send PDF document in email. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.